Okay, so we finished number two. Sally likes washing dishes less than cooking. So we're on number three. Alfredo loves listening to music as much as much as is an idiom, and it usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. So usually the sentence would say, as much as playing an instrument, Alfredo loves to listen to music. As much as, okay? And it's an idiom. Let me separate much and as. Okay. So it's an idiom. Alfredo loves listening to music as much as playing an instrument. Number four, Alfredo enjoys playing an instrument, same as much as listening to music. Okay? So let's diagram that sentence. We should have done sentence number two, but we didn't. But they're the same. Alfredo, subject noun, enjoys, it's going to be a verb. Playing is going to be a noun, a gerund noun, and adjective, instrument, noun. As much as we said, it's an idiom. Listening, it's going to be a noun. To, preposition, music, a noun. Okay? Alfredo enjoys playing an instrument as much as listening to music. 5. Pam likes working less than going to school. Okay, so let's look at this. Pam, subject noun, likes, verb, likes what? Working. So it'll be a noun, so it'll be gerund. Working, and then we can say and going is going to be another. Going is going to act like a noun also. To, preposition, school, a noun. 6. Pam enjoys going to school more than working. Pam enjoys going to school more than working. So your subject is Pam, subject noun, enjoys is going to be your verb. Going is going to act like a noun, like a gerund. To, preposition. School, a noun. More, adverb. Than is going to be a conjunction. Working is going to be a noun. Pam enjoys going to school more than working. How about you? Do you enjoy going to school more than working? Or do you enjoy going to work more than school? 7. Martha enjoys painting more than jogging. Martha enjoys painting more than jogging, my friends. Subject, Martha. Subject, noun, enjoys. Verb, painting is going to be a noun, it's a gerund. More, adverb. Than, it's going to be conjunction. Jogging is going to be a noun. And sentence number 8. Martha likes jogging less than painting. Martha likes jogging less than painting. Martha, subject, noun. Likes, verb. Jogging is going to be a noun. Less is going to be an adverb. Then, conjunction. Painting is going to be a noun. Okay. So, we're going to repeat them. Sally likes washing dishes less than cooking. Alfredo loves listening to music as much as playing an instrument. Alfredo enjoys playing an instrument as much as listening to music. Pam likes working less than going to school. Pam enjoys going to school more than working. Martha enjoys painting more than jogging. Martha likes jogging less than painting. Okay, so that's from page 10. We'll move on. We're going to be looking at the reading. Okay, your personality and your job. Your personality and your job. Okay, so let me get to the QR. Code here. Okay, think I have it. Still working on it, my friends. Okay, let's look at it. It's coming up.
Page 12. Exercise 2.
Your personality and your job. What is the perfect job for you? It depends a lot on your personality. People think, act, and feel in different ways, and there are interesting jobs for every kind of person. 3 common personality types are outgoing, intellectual, and creative. Outgoing people enjoy meeting others and helping them. They are good talkers. They are friendly, and they get along well with other people. They often become nurses, counselors, teachers, or social workers. Intellectual people like thinking about problems and finding answers to hard questions. They often enjoy reading and playing games like chess. Many Many intellectual people like working alone more than working in a group. They may become scientists, computer programmers, or writers. Creative people enjoy making things. They like to imagine things that are new and different. Many of them become artists, such as painters, dancers, or musicians. Architects, designers, and photographers are other examples of creative jobs. Before you choose a career, think about your personality type. If you want to be happy in your work, choose the right job for your personality.
Okay, I'll play it again.
Page 12. Exercise 2.
Your personality and your job. What is the perfect job for you? It depends a lot on your personality. People think, act, and feel in different ways, and there are interesting jobs for every kind of person. 3 common personality types are outgoing, intellectual, and creative. Outgoing people enjoy meeting others and helping them. They are good talkers. They are friendly, and they get along well with other people. They often become nurses, counselors, teachers, or social workers. Intellectual people like thinking about problems and finding answers to hard questions. They often enjoy reading and playing games like chess. Many intellectual people like working alone more than working in a group. They may become scientists, computer programmers, or writers. Creative people enjoy making things. They like to imagine things that are new and different. Many of them become artists, such as painters, dancers, or musicians. Architects, designers, and photographers are other examples of creative jobs. Before you choose a career, think about your personality type. If you want to be happy in your work, choose the right job for your personality.
Okay, very important. Very important. Our personality usually tells us what type of vocation or career that we want to engage in. Okay, and I advocate, profoundly advocate, that you get a career assessment. Extremely important, especially if you're going to continue your education. You need to know which careers you have interest and value. Extremely important. This way, you know what to major in and you have a good understanding of the careers that you may want to engage in. Extremely important. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to change the board, okay? Okay. I got to be careful. Sometimes I knock over the easel or it gets loose. So let's look at degrees of comparisons. So we're talking about adjectives. So we have 3 groups. We have the positive degree, the comparative, and the superlative degree. So it's 3. The positive, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used when there's a person, place, or thing. One person, place, or thing. And you're not comparing it with another person, another place, or another thing. So you just have one thing. The comparative degree is used when comparing two persons, two places, or things. Okay, please jot it down. The comparison is used when comparing two persons, places, or things. And we usually add ER. ER to the end of the adjective. Maria is happier than Jose. And when you have a word that ends with a Y, you change it to an I. So it would be hap, P-I-E-R. Maria is happier than Juan, Jose, or whomever. You have a comparison. The superlative degree is used when comparing three or more persons, place, or things, or plural nouns. And you usually put an EST, est, at the end of the word. Okay? So Maria is happier than Juan, right? But Ramon is the happiest of them three. It's the happiest one. Maria is happier than Juan, but, okay, Maria, Juan, but Ramon is the happiest one. Okay, the happiest. So you would put IEST. Okay. So let me give you a couple of examples. Okay, a couple of examples. Jose is a strong man. Strong man. One person. So it's a positive in the positive degree. Jose is stronger than Tony. And when you're comparing two people, you use than, T-H-A-N. Okay? And that's the comparative. You're making a comparison between two people. Jose is stronger than Tony, but Ramon is the strongest. Jose is stronger than Tony, but Ramon is the strongest. So real quick, here we have deep, deeper, deepest. We have, and this is an exception to the rule, good, better, best, much, more, most, bad, worst, worst, little, less, least, far, further, furthest. Okay, my friends, so that's the lesson. I'll be back shortly.